Here I want to show you another way to extract the people also ask questions inside the PAA extractor. You can do it just inside of the built-in web browser. Instead of using this search text box over here and clicking this button, there's another way to do it in here. So let's say we're searching for organic vegetable gardening and click enter. And now what we can do, stay signed out. What we can do here now is we do have to select the levels and the clicks over here. So I'll just do 2 levels and 1 click for now. And just go ahead and click extract down here. So this button will extract it inside the browser instead of doing the extract by taking this and putting the keyword into the browser. So we click here, and now let's go ahead and it's expanding and getting the extra questions and creating the data tree. So now we hit the PAA tree, and now we can see the questions nicely organized into these tree formats so that we can further analyze the data. So that's another way that you can search in there. If another quick thing here is, if you'd like to change the color theme of the actual Google, you can do that down at the very bottom. You got to go to their main page here. I'll get out of the search, and you see settings. You put dark theme if you'd like. So you can put a dark theme in here to keep it all dark if you'd like to do that. And let's say you're doing a search in here, and sometimes Google will ask you to use your location, and it might restrict you to your location. Say you're doing vegetable gardening, and you might not want to learn about vegetable gardening in your own location, but maybe you want to do like in the US or something like that, because I'm in Canada here. If it's kind of forced you in your own location, one thing you can do is come up here and click this and go clear cache, and it will automatically clear everything out and go back to default. And in the Google Advanced here, you can hit that button. It goes to the advanced search. You can actually select language and region as well, so you can specify where you want to be searching. So that's another way you can utilize this tool and extract the people also ask questions.